Is it possible to predict volcano eruptions? The truth might surprise you. Scientists have developed clever tools to spot warning signs, but volcanoes still hold many secrets that challenge prediction. Volcanoes rarely erupt without warning. Shaking caused by magma moving underground, changes in gas released, and ground swelling are key signals. These signs don't guarantee an eruption but raise alerts. Seismographs detect earthquakes, while gas sensors monitor sulfur dioxide, a volcanic gas that spikes before eruptions. Ground deformation measured by satellites or GPS also shows magma buildup. These clues give scientists a valuable heads-up, sometimes days or weeks before an eruption. Each volcano behaves uniquely, making prediction tricky. Some may erupt suddenly with little warning, while others show signs but never erupt. Magma pathways underground can change rapidly, confusing forecasts. Also, monitoring equipment is limited in remote or dangerous areas. These factors mean scientists can often predict an eruption window but not precise timing or scale. Volcanoes are powerful natural systems that sometimes defy our best efforts to forecast their behavior. Researchers now use artificial intelligence to analyze huge amounts of volcanic data quickly. Machine learning models can detect subtle patterns missed by humans and predict eruptions with better lead time. Drones and satellites provide fresh data from hard-to-reach volcanoes. These advances do not make predictions perfect, but gradually improve our ability to prepare and respond. The future of volcano forecasting is promising, with technology helping us understand these fiery giants better than ever. Predicting volcano eruptions is a mix of science and uncertainty. While warning signs and new tech help spot eruptions earlier, volcanoes keep surprising us. Stay curious about our planet's fiery power and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.